Hi everyone, welcome back to Three Kids in a Home. I am Tiffany and today I am taking you on a model home tour by one of our favorite builders, the Toll Brothers. My husband and I absolutely love the Toll Brothers. Every time we tour one of their homes, the quality exceeds our expectations. So I know this is a little different from the content that I normally put out. If you're new to my channel focuses on home decor, cleaning, DIY, and organization with simplicity because we have 3 young children. However, in the summertime, we are all about having fun and spending time with family and making memories. And so the content that I put out this summer will revolve more around my life instead of my life revolving around the content. And so touring model homes is one of the favorite things that our family loves to do. My sister and my little cousin are also visiting for the summer, and so we wanted to take them out to see some of these beautiful homes as well. And so that's what we're getting into today. The home that we're touring today is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home. It's 2 stories. It's a little over 3,500 square feet, and this home has everything that we are looking for in our future home. Now, we have no plans of moving anytime soon, but God's plans are way bigger than what mine are, and so I can have my own plans and then God says something different. So you never know, but this has everything that we want. It has a his and her closet. There's a guest bedroom on the first floor, and this kitchen and this layout is just gorgeous. So I hope that you all enjoy. I'm just going to let the music play. If you like what you see, make sure you check out some of my other videos and hit that like and subscribe button. And y'all stay tuned to the very end. I will see you all. Enjoy.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, know it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working, only working out for my God. And no more living in that fear, no more tears and no. Oh, he's working me and molding me who he wants me to be.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can see the blessings, I can feel your presence, leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection, and through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me crazy, been more stressed than ever. Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer. Lord, make me better, take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goalie, never lonely. Got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way. Yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us by step, but I'm on a different pace. You won't see me on the ground, cause I'm walking on the waves. I don't ever look down, 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 I'm just focused on his face. I don't gotta know it all, that's a different type of faith. Hold up, I know you gon' show up every time. When I'm good, when I'm bad, when I'm low, when I'm high, yeah. When I'm lost, look to God, he my guide, yeah. Haters talk, let them talk, no reply, yeah. Wait, I find strength inside my weakness. My strength, yeah. Expectations, you exceed them. Do my best, you supersede it. I'm complete cause you preceded me. Ah, da, 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 yeah, you know it. Ah, da, 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 yeah, you know it. Yeah, you know it. Yeah, you know it. Ah, da, 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 yeah, you know it. I don't got it all planned out, but you know I just watch it all pan out, cause I know that you know. You know, covered in this life until forever. I don't got it all planned out, but you know I just watch it all pan out, cause I know that you know, you know, covered in this life until forever. I ain't worried about the future cause I know it's in your hands. I'm the furthest thing from perfect, but I know you understand. I was limping quick to running, now I'm flying Peter Pan. And it's all because of every single step I had your hand, yeah. Every single step I had your hand. Now I got the blessings on demand. Anything you say is my command. Whole life heard no, but you told me that I can't. So I lay it all out cause I trust you like that. And I give it all to you cause you got it like that. Any seed that I sowed, boomerang right back. Now I'm living with a joy, you can never buy that. Yeah, yeah. It ain't never easy, life can be hard. But if you trust and you believe it, you can make it with God, God, yeah. No matter where I'm going, I know I'll make it through. Joy's coming in the morning, so I choose to wait on you. Cause you got it like that. Got it like that. I can't think of anything I did or even do to deserve just 1 inch of your love that makes people new. And the way that you saved me out of that den, when all of the lions were covering my head, you had another plan, and you gave me another chance. Oh, the way that you got me, yeah, got me like that. It's the kind of love that will let you fall, but then will bring you right back. Bring you right back, right back, right back, right back. No matter where I'm going, I know I'll make it through. Joy's coming in the morning, so I choose to wait on you. Cause you got it like that. Got it like that. Cause you got it like that. Got it like that.
right, you all, thanks again so much for watching today. I hope that you all enjoyed this model home tour as much as my family and I did. And if you like what you see, make sure you check out my other videos and hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see more model home tours this summer, let me know in the comments down below. I will see you all next week. Have a wonderful week. Be blessed.